Today we are going to work with the activity of unrolling and rolling of a mat. This is the mat. This is how we hold the mat. We will first unroll the mat. We will use our 2 fingers and a thumb. We will only pull it once. And press it to the edges. Now we will roll the mat. And keep it back. You can use a mat or a napkin to do this activity. This PLE activity helps in coordination of movements and development of muscles. The child becomes independent. To enable a child to unroll the mat as a preparation for later working with the materials on the floor. Thank you.